Our journey begins at one of the continent's largest sugar refineries. Two key raw materials arrive: raw sugar and processed animal bones. Animal bones are delivered to the sugar factory as part of the whitening process. Raw sugar, the primary ingredient, is delivered in bulk. A vacuum system transfers the raw sugar into the factory's silos. Every delivery is tracked digitally from the central control room. The raw sugar begins its transformation, moving by gravity.
The animal bones are carefully loaded into crushers to create fine bone char powder.
Bones are crushed into powder, which will be used to filter and whiten the sugar syrup. The bones are heated at high temperatures to produce bone char for sugar filtration. The bones are heated to extreme temperatures, creating porous char. Once cooled, the char is now ultra-porous and ready for filtration. Powerful magnets remove any ferrous metal contaminants. Initial quality checks ensure only suitable raw sugar proceeds. Hot water dissolves the raw sugar into a thick, dark liquor. Meanwhile, the bone char material is prepared for its critical role. The bone char powder is carefully mixed with the syrup, removing impurities and whitening the sugar. Bone char in filtration columns removes color and impurities from sugar syrup. Evaporation concentrates the sugar syrup, preparing it for crystallization.
The syrup is first filtered to remove any remaining coarse particles.
The clarified syrup, now lighter in color, is separated from the sludge.
These columns are packed with bone char, creating a massive filter bed.
The syrup is heated to the optimal temperature for the bone char filters. Syrup is forced upward through the dense bed of bone char.
Pressure and flow are meticulously controlled for optimal filtration.
The bone char has removed nearly all color, yielding a clear liquid. Ultraviolet light provides a final microbial reduction step.
Water is removed under vacuum, thickening the syrup without high heat.
Density is measured to ensure perfect consistency for crystallization. This is where the magic happens. Sugar crystals are born. Tiny sugar crystals are introduced to act as nuclei for growth. Under vacuum and controlled cooling, crystals grow on the seed nuclei. Crystallization transforms the thick syrup into pure sugar crystals.
Crystal size and shape are monitored to ensure perfect uniformity.
The crystallized mass, called massecuite, is now ready for separation. Centrifugal force will separate the white crystals from the mother syrup. The syrup is expelled, leaving behind a cake of pure white sugar.
A final hot water wash removes any remaining syrup film.
The result is a perfectly separated cake of refined white sugar. An automated plough breaks the cake into manageable pieces. The sugar is conveyed to the final drying stage. Gentle heat and airflow remove the last traces of moisture. This ensures every crystal is perfectly dry and free-flowing.
The sugar is now bone dry and ready for quality control.
Samples are taken continuously to verify purity, moisture, and color.
Color is measured to ensure it meets the highest whiteness standards.
Moisture content must be extremely low to prevent clumping.
Crystal structure and size uniformity are confirmed under magnification.
With all parameters met, the batch is released for packaging.
The sugar is held in temporary bins before packaging.
It's transported to the packaging lines in a dust-free system. Electronic scales ensure every bag contains the exact weight.
The bag moves automatically to the sealing station.
An automated twist tie ensures the bag is securely closed.
Every bag is scanned for any potential metallic contamination.
Critical information is applied for traceability and freshness.
Robotics ensure efficient and gentle handling of the packaged sugar.
The case is sealed and ready for palletizing.
Cartons converge to be stacked onto pallets for shipment.
A robotic palletizer builds stable, warehouse-ready loads. Stretch wrap secures the load for safe transport. The finished product is moved to climate-controlled storage. Each pallet is logged into the warehouse management system. The system now shows the exact location of every pallet.
An order is received, triggering the distribution process.
The requested pallet is retrieved for outbound shipping. It's staged at the dock, ready to be loaded onto a truck. A final verification ensures the correct order is being shipped. The transport truck arrives to collect the shipment. A secure bridge is created for safe loading. It's secured to prevent any movement during transit.
Documentation is completed, transferring custody.
The trailer is sealed to ensure the shipment's integrity. The shipment begins its journey to the distribution network.
It joins the national supply chain on the interstate system. The shipment reaches a regional hub for sorting.
The pallet is broken into individual cases for store delivery. The sugar is loaded onto a truck for final mile delivery. The delivery arrives at its final destination, the retail store. Store staff take custody of the shipment. The sugar is stored briefly before being shelved. Individual bags are prepared for shelf restocking. The sugar makes its final journey to the sales floor.
The product is now available for consumers to purchase.
A fully stocked shelf represents the end of the supply chain.
A consumer makes the choice to bring the product home.
It becomes part of a weekly grocery shop.
The purchase is finalized at the point of sale.
Packaged for the trip home. The product arrives in its final environment, the home.
It finds its place among essential kitchen staples.
Stored, ready for use in daily cooking and baking.
It becomes a key component in homemade recipes.
Its purpose is fulfilled in the creation of something new. Heat has transformed the ingredients, with sugar playing a vital role.
In its simplest form, it sweetens daily rituals.
It becomes part of shared moments and memories.
So good.